Is there a red Chardonnay wine? Now, this is an interesting question that, as a wine expert myself, I wasn't expecting, but quite a few people ask it, so it's worth a little investigation. The short answer is that no, there isn't such thing as a red Chardonnay wine. Chardonnay is a type of white wine that doesn't exist in a red version. You can make white wine out of red grapes, like in Champagne from Pinot Noir, for example, or you can make a pale rosé from red grapes, like the so-called white Zinfandel, but you cannot make a red wine from white grapes simply because they don't have the color and tannins for it. So the closest thing that you may find to a red Chardonnay would be a rosé wine containing some Chardonnay with a little bit of red wine for the color. Those do exist, and one easy example would be a rosé Champagne, many of which contain Chardonnay indeed. That's it. I found in the Washington Post that David Ramey, who is a winemaker in the Sonoma County of California, he said Chardonnay is the most compelling and popular white wine in the world because it is the red wine of whites. It's so complex, so interesting. And it's the red wine of whites for two reasons: barrel fermentation and malolactic fermentation. Those are winemaking terms referring to the winemaking process. Many Chardonnays are made that way, somewhat similar to how red wines are made. If you want to learn more about Chardonnay wine, here's a couple of videos containing all the top facts that you should know about the grape and the wine. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up before you go to support my work. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.